It seems awesome to be actual survivee of a trade that we thought was dying, but it wasn't. I'm just a normal guy. I was born in Sheffield, which was the East End, not far from here. When did I start for rice? That'd be 1968. Mr. Wright, there was the old guy, and then Philip Wright, and then Nicky came along and took over. But unfortunately, that didn't work out for him. But the situation has changed. Paul saved it. I spoke to him in detail and asked him why he'd spent all this money, which is a lot of money, hundreds of thousands of pounds, putting all this machinery right. And he said to me, I've had a passion to do something like this in life. Now, this team are making scissors to the scissors I like, which is striving for perfection. The reason I'm working over from I should be retired is because I like the challenge. I like the challenge. Because there isn't a challenge here that I can't take on and beat. I'm 75, and life is a challenge at 75. And I said, when you open a pair of scissors and close it, it tells me a story, what's up with it. And it's starting to learn how it feels. Beautiful. Poetry in motion. It's a great satisfaction to have done it properly. Because that's what life's all about. You try your best.